it was a platform to meet leaders across the industry, especially who have been working in CSR. And it was also opportunity for the person like me to share our thoughts, our ideas with the rest of the team. As you have designed a world-class learning structure and got them institutionalized, happy to see the kind of lab. Can we also think of building system where we also work with parents? We have come in touch with an organization, Prayoga, because of two personalities. Number one, Mr. Nagaraj, who was the founder, and his guru, Justice Venkatachalaya. Since we have focused area of our CSR, that is primary education, primary health, and sustainability. So when I say primary education, directly connects with the vision and mission of the Prayoga. We have been supporting Prayoga in terms of their experiential learning with respect to government schools. It was a wonderful experience and we are quite happy with the kind of result we are getting.